Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you the drafting of notch collar or tailor collar. So for this you will need two body pieces, that is the front part and the back part. Now from the front part you need to trace it onto the plain paper, because we are going to extend this. So just take a little bit bigger paper and transfer this front part. For the back part we don't need to do any modifications, we just need it for the reference for our neckline measurement. So all we need to do modifications is for the front part. So this is traced. Now from here you need to extend 1 inch and draw a straight line. Now from the top you need to measure the depth of your neckline. In my case I am measuring 4.5 inches downward like this, and then I'll transfer this marking onto this line straight like this. You can do it from scale also. Now we need to join this point with a bit of slant to join with your neckline like this. Now we need to extend this neckline part a bit. So just draw a horizontal line straight like this. Now we will extend this line just for reference. I am doing it with pencil. Now onto this line we need to mark the width of our lapel. This part we are marking here. So whatever you want. So here I am taking around 1 inch. Now we will join these 2 points like this. You can also give a bit curve like this, or you can keep it straight as you want. Now take the back part of your bodies and take the measurement of your neckline. The width should be exact, so you can take it in centimeters also. Now from this point you need to mark here the neckline. So just mark it, and then inside just go around ½ inch and make a line like this. Now you just need to give a curve here. It's optional, but this will look good. Don't make it too much pointy, just a bit of curve is good. Now I'm just making a darker so that it will be visible for you. Alright, now give a 90 degrees line here. Place your ruler like this onto the slanting line and give a 90 degrees angle. Make a straight line. Now on this line you need to measure the width of your lapel. This part we are making here. So whatever width you want, here I am taking around 3 inches. Now with this point you need to make a slanting line from here. We are making this slant here of your collar. So it will depend on you how much slant you want. You can adjust it accordingly and give it a straight line. Now to this line you need to mark the width of your lapel, this point. Here we are marking the bottom width. So whatever width you want for your lapel, you can give it. Here I am taking 2.5 inches. Now we will join these 2 points like this. And now our pattern is ready. Now we will cut it. This collar basically used for coats and jackets, and you can make n number of varieties if you learn this drafting only. You can create your own collar. If you want thinner, you can make it. If you want curve, you can give it. Now from this slanting line, you can just fold your collar and check it whether you want any changes or not. You can just give it here. If you want a thinner collar, you can just mark around ½ inch or 1 inch, whatever width you want for your upper lapel. Just mark a line and give a slanting curve here and then cut it. Now if you want this part also to be shorter, you can always adjust it in the same way as we had done for the upper lapel. Just mark a point here, whatever length you want. You can make it curvy also, or you can make it straight, whatever you want. In the next part of this video, I am going to show you this neckline for your kurti. I hope you understood this session very well. If you still have any doubt, you can just comment down below. I'll answer all your queries, and do continue watching my next part of this video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.